Breaded chicken is an all-time favorite for all chicken lovers. So is mine. I'm going to do a very crispy, crunchy, thin crusted breaded chicken today. I got a cling film here. And I have my beautiful chicken tenders. I'm going to place this here and cover it with the cling film again. I made a little parcel of the chicken tender inside the 2 layers of cling film. Now with anything heavy like a pestle and mortar or a hammer or anything heavy or the back of your heavy knife, you can just do this. Just trying to even out the thickness of the chicken tender and making it really thin, so that we get a very thin, crispy, crunchy breaded chicken. Now this looks okay to me. Now let's open this package. Compare this to this. How thin and even it is. This is what we have to do with all the chicken tenders before we fry them. This is a crispy thin chicken tenders, and I got some 3 eggs, and to this I'm going to add like about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add about 1 tablespoon lemon juice going inside 3 eggs, and I want to beat it. Egg and lemon juice mixture beaten well. Keep this aside. This is the all-purpose flour mixed with some salt. All-purpose flour and some salt in it. And here I got some panko breadcrumbs. We are making a breaded, crusty, crunchy breaded chicken, so we need good quality breadcrumbs. In this I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of parmesan. We are basically seasoning the breaded mixture and the flour mixture, and our egg is also flavored by some lemon. Combine this with the parmesan, breadcrumbs and parmesan, very mildly seasoning our chicken pieces. I season them with some black pepper powder and a little bit of salt. Take our chicken. First dip it in the flour mixture, then in the egg mixture, then in the bread. See how this looks now. Now we need to give them rest for at least 10 minutes before we put them in oil. Let's repeat the process. Our chicken tenders are breaded beautifully. They have their flour coating, egg coating and then bread coating, and they are allowed to rest for 10 minutes. Now our beautiful chicken tenders are ready and we have to fry them. Oil is hot now. And our breaded chicken is gone inside. Our crispy crunchy breaded chicken is ready, and I have 3 dipping sauce to go with it. I have some regular mayonnaise, some honey mustard sauce, and this is some chili mayo. And this is our beautiful crusty crunchy breaded chicken. Now the moment of truth. Hope you hear the crunch. Perfect. Let me dip some chili mayo. Juicy, crispy, crunchy, perfectly cooked breaded chicken. Simple breaded chicken taken to another level.